Right. G'day, guys. Welcome back. At the moment, this is a quickie. This is a very quickie. This is something I was working on a couple of videos ago, 3 or 4 videos ago, an Aristone record player. And we were going to have a crack at rewinding a transformer. Haven't done this before. So, yeah, got to make a coil winder or something in that description. So, yeah, ordered the wire. As you guys know, you've probably been, if you've been following, you'll know that I ordered some 0.1 millimeter magnet wire. And of course, no, it wasn't coming from China. It was coming from Great Britain. This is what I got in the post. There you go. Good wire. But yeah, I don't like my chances of unwinding this. It might be a little bit down here, but there's a lot of loose ends in amongst this. So anyway, I've waited 6 weeks for this. That's how it ended up here, just in a plastic bag with an address on it. And I don't know, it was a Great Britain site, but it seemed to originate from China. So that's put a stop to that. So what I've done is I've pulled the coil out of a microwave motor. Okay, so it's got 0.1 millimeter wire on it. It's all in one piece, and well, almost the same size former, but yeah, not quite. So I've got to measure out. On this, there was 105 meters of 0.1. Going to measure out the same of this, wind it onto a spool of some description, and then try and make a coil winder, or yeah, whatever I'm going to do to try and get an audio transformer working again in the Aristone. Now, I've got other transformers here. They would probably work, but yeah, there's no challenge in that. How about we have a crack at this? All right, that's where we're up to with this fella. I'll keep you up to date as I'm doing this and finish up on, well, a video in the future. Meanwhile, we've got a Breville radio. We've got to get the next part done on it. Okay, so until the next time with this fella, bye for now. Oh, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you want to follow me, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll see when the next little video on this unit comes up. Okay,